Yeah, President Donald Trump is touting some of these decisions as major wins, but Attorney General William Tong says this creates needless chaos and uncertainty.
Birthright citizenship and the 14th Amendment is and remains the law of the land right now.
Friday, the Supreme Court ruled to restrict the ability of federal judges to block the president's executive orders, including birthright citizenship.
The Supreme Court has delivered a monumental victory for the Constitution, the separation of powers, and the rule of law.
The justices decided 6-3 to limit nationwide injunctions, meaning the Trump administration could be allowed to deny citizenship to children of legal immigrants born in the U.S.
Hundreds of thousands of people are pouring into our country under birthright citizenship, and it wasn't meant for that reason. It was meant for the babies of slaves. So thanks to this decision, we can now promptly file to proceed with these numerous policies.
Birthright citizenship is part of the essential character of our nation and who we are. It is the promise that this country made to me and my family. It was the promise made to Wong Kim Ark more than 100+ years ago in San Francisco. And the Supreme Court found then, as it should now, that the 14th Amendment means what it says. If you're born on American soil, you're an American, period.
The Supreme Court did not rule on the constitutionality of Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship, and the current nationwide pause on the order remains in effect for 30 days. The court also handed down opinions upholding preventative health care coverage under the Affordable Care Act and siding with a group of parents who sought to opt their kids out of public school classes which use LGBTQ+ books.
This is effectively book burning. It's going to be very challenging for boards of ed, and I think we're still assessing what the decision says, and it will get tested, and the contours of what it means will get tested, and people will pick at it and bring challenges, and we'll see what happens.
Tong says Connecticut is following the possible impacts of all these decisions, and he believes the states will win what he calls the ultimate question in the case of upholding birthright citizenship. Reporting at the state capitol, Emma Wulfhorst, Fox 61.